Friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's see what happened today and what can happen tomorrow. We will analyze how market will might move tomorrow. Okay. So yesterday I said that if market opens bit up like it did, a small gap up, then it might try to enter the gap area, but it didn't. It took it as a support area and bounced thrice and finally gave a breakout at 230 around, and it made a high of 22994, precisely 995 or 6. So I said that if it will break out above this support area or resistance, it was yesterday for us. So if it will break out above this, then it might go towards this 922. I said precisely that it might go till 922 or 23,000, but it didn't. It did touch one target, but second it didn't. So maybe tomorrow, if the global market will be good, then we might see another breakout above 23,000. If you see in less time frame chart, then you will observe one thing. It got rejected yesterday itself from 23,000. So it can happen that it might got rejected again from here, and if it doesn't, then it will be a fresh breakout above this, and market might try to reach these levels 23,300 to 50 around at least. Okay, and if it doesn't breaks this with volume or with power or huge buying, then we might see another downside tomorrow. So for downside targets, our targets will be intact. Like first target will be 850 if 23,000 gets rejected. First target would be 22,880 and second target would be 730. So keep that in mind, and if these levels gets broken, then it might correct further as well. So tomorrow we might get a good chance to trade, because the market will be trending either upside 23,000 or below 23,000. If it won't be able to break it, then a good downside can be seen. If it breaks, then a good upside can be seen. So likely, as it's a Friday, it's more likely that it might be in a trend, either upside or downside. Okay, or maybe after this much of upside, it might consolidate for few days as well, like it did for most part of the day today. So that cannot be ignored as well. So if that happens, then we might see a fresh breakout at the later end of the day, maybe upside or downside, whatever it is. Okay, let's check some of the stocks. HDFC, if people remember, I said that it will give a fresh breakout above 1900, and you can see in daily chart it has given a breakout. So for me, the next target would be 1971 on the upside. So if you get any dip and market remains positive, then we can go long in HDFC for 1975 and 2000 targets. Okay, let's check another one. Yesterday we saw some correction in this script, but I feel this script has some potential to go upside again from these levels, because if you see, it closed at the support area, above the support area, which was these levels. It touched the level, but it didn't sustain here. It took support here. So maybe tomorrow, if the market remains positive, then it might show another upside towards 6200 levels. Okay, you can see here it has taken a trend line support as well. So if you see, quite good support. So if it takes support of this trend line, then we might see some more upside on this script. Okay, let's check another one. Dr. Reddy, this was on my mind. See, we have seen a clear downside on this script from last 10 days. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, around 10 days, and now I feel it is about to give a breakout. Actually, it has given a breakout. So if this script remains above 3900, yeah, precisely 3889 or 3900, then we might see further upside. Okay, let's check another one. Eicher Motors has created a inside bar kind of candle today. So for tomorrow it will be a good trade if it trades below 19,300. If it trades below this, then we might see further downside on this, and if it trades above 19,630, then we might see another upside. Okay, so keep that in our mind. Okay, let's check Nifty chart as well, because Bank Nifty and Nifty are giving different kind of direction at the moment. So if you see here, it is ready for another breakout. If I change it to 1 hour, then you can see yesterday it got rejected from that level, but today it closed around that level. So if it remains above this, then we might see further upside towards 10,920, 11,000. If we see RSI, then it is also showing bullishness in 1 hour time frame as well. Okay, so keep these things in your mind, guys, and take trades carefully tomorrow. Wish you good luck, and thanks for watching. Do subscribe as well if you like my views.